I made that with only 1 yard of this striped fabric. Looks complicated, but it's not. It's very simple. Here's how I did it. I cut 8.5-inch squares to begin with. Why? You can choose any size you like. I chose 8.5 because that's the distance of this particular stripe, because it has lots of colors in it before the repeat. So I cut all these squares out of my yard of material, and I got 20 of them all in all, which is good. What you need to do is start with 4 identical squares, stack them on top of each other. And I'm using the rotating mat because it really is perfect for this kind of a job. We're gonna cut a diagonal. We're gonna cut this square on both diagonals. And then you'll see how the magic happens. So let's do this first. Here's the nice rotation of the mat. And now the next part of this really is the trick. It's the trick to the whole thing. These 4 pieces are each going to make a quilt block, okay? Now, some of the stripes run horizontally to the longest edge. This one does, and this one does. I'm gonna set these aside for now. These will make a nice little square. I'm gonna arrange it real quick here for you. That looks like this. All right? This one will do the exact same thing. So that's one of the patterns in that overall quilt block, right? Now, the other sections where the stripe runs vertically up to the point, on these 2, you have to do something special. I've got 4 layers here. I want to take 2 off of this one, and I want to swap them with 2 from this stack, okay? Now, when I do that, these can also now be laid out. You have to check your colors while you do this to form the next quilt block. Right there. Make sure all these colors match, and they do. If you remember, that quilt top had, it was alternating squares. This one that looks like a plus sign, and the other square that looks like the square. This is it, folks. These are 4 quilt blocks right now. Now, what you need to do, of course, to put these together, take 2 at a time, right sides together, stitch a 1/4-inch seam here, do the same thing to the other side, stitch a 1/4-inch seam here, and then, of course, take this and fold it over and do a 1/4-inch seam there and press them all open. When you lay all of these quilt blocks next to each other and alternate them, you're gonna get that beautiful finished quilt top that we made. I love this project. I love this whole process. It looks like you're a pro, but even the simplest, easiest beginning sewist can do this one. That's what I love about it. Give it a try. Happy sewing.